Question number 1. Pakistan resolution was passed in?
Correct answer. B. 1940.
Question number 2. The Pakistan resolution was presented by?
Correct answer. A. A.K. Fazlul Haq.
Question number 3. Quaid-e-Azam was born in?
Correct answer. B. Karachi.
Question number 4. Allama Iqbal delivered Allahabad address in?
Correct answer. B. 1930.
Question number 5. First capital of Pakistan?
Correct answer. B. Karachi.
Question number 6. Pakistan became Islamic Republic in?
Correct answer. B. 1956.
Question number 7. National language of Pakistan?
Correct answer. A. Urdu.
Question number 8. First Prime Minister of Pakistan?
Correct answer. B. Liaquat Ali Khan.
Question number 9. Minar-e-Pakistan is located in?
Correct answer. B. Lahore.
Question number 10. Largest province of Pakistan by area?
Correct answer. D. Baluchistan.